Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a Walmart grocery haul with you. This is kind of a part 2 to the Save Up because this is a full stock up for at least 2 to 3 weeks in meals. Let's just jump right in. I got a bag of sweet potatoes, a head of cabbage, some more lettuce, some of this Pop Secret 100-calorie snack bags of popcorn, 12 large eggs, some original potato chips, some French onion dip, medium-sized soft taco flour tortillas for quesadillas. There is going to be a meal plan in the description box below, and there'll be meals that are included in this video and my meal plan prior for Save Lot as well for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I got some of this Taco Bell cheese for quesadillas, some hamburger buns, a couple of these steam packs, the broccoli florets and broccoli and cauliflower, southern style hash browns for breakfasts, the Pillsbury buttermilk biscuits for breakfast. I already have a huge box of Tennessee Pride sausages, so I didn't need sausage this time. A bag of this John So's Foods chicken fajitas. These are chicken breast strips, and 3 of these poppin' chickens. We found this really cute Pillsbury Funfetti cake and icing for spring. Strawberry cheesecake muffin mix and birthday cake muffin mix. Did get one of these tuna helpers, the tuna cheesy pasta one, and a 4-pack of the creamy 4-cheese rice from Rice-A-Roni, a Taco Bell mild sauce. We're gonna have taco salad and quesadillas, so I need some of this, and Armour chili with no beans, chili cheese tots. I'm gonna make soup beans too, so pinto beans. I got some diced tomatoes, some corned beef hash for breakfast, cranberry jellied cranberry sauce, sauerkraut, and some traditional refried beans. Last but not least, got some meats. So I did pick up some Fisher's bacon. I'm going to cut this in half. Half will be for breakfast, the other half is going to be for soup beans. I got this big pack of chicken breast, so I will use this in break this up. This will make us 3 meals, and I will slice this up into tenders and however I want to do the chicken that day. So 3 meals of chicken, package of pork cube steaks, which are pork cutlets. I did get this big chuck pot roast, and this is over 2 pounds. I'm going to slice it in half and make 2 meals out of this. And when I fix this butterball turkey breast, this will feed us for a couple days. And that is my Walmart grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you so very much for watching.